They had one. Only one.
Well, guess what? You're not getting none of this one. Here he come telling me me eat cheesecake and work without me. How dare you? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One Tyler. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One Papa. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Two Tyler. Oh my God! Wait! It's not time! Hi babes, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's what should I say? It's a feel-good Friday today. Woke up this morning and I did not get my workouts in, but that was intentional. Last night, while I was taking out my workout clothes, my husband was like, honey, please, just rest tomorrow morning. You're going hiking on Saturday. Rest your knees. So I said, okay, I'll listen. Not that I couldn't manage workout today and then go hiking tomorrow, but since I'm going on the road today and I have supermarket to do and yada yada yada, I said, okay, let me just.
Supermarket?
We're going to supermarket later. We're going to supermarket later, okay?
Okay.
I said, all right. I woke up this morning and I said, okay, I feel rested. Let me continue on with that energy and don't work out. However, I have to go on the road because I have to go to the dentist. I have my dentist appointment today. I took Tyler to the dentist. I think 2 or 3 days ago. You want to say good morning?
Good morning.
Say good morning now. Say morning, Faves.
Morning.
My girl is all dressed. She loves shorts. She's into shorts these days. So she said, Mama, shorts, please. You have on shorts?
Short.
Yeah, shorts. Come forward. So Sarah and I are the only ones home this morning because Tyler just dropped him to school. Baby's on his way to work. So I'm gonna have breakfast, relax a bit, and then head out to my dentist appointment. Hopefully you guys have a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay encouraged. And for breakfast this morning, I'm having 2 natural yogurt and I'm gonna add a little bit of cereal to it. Look at this girl. What are you doing? You putting on mama glasses? Yeah, so that's what's good. I have a bunch of things on my agenda as usual on a Friday. You guys know my Fridays are ram-packed and busy. She's trying on every glasses that she sees. Look at her. Put down tie-tie glasses. Anyway, you guys, enjoy the rest of today's vlog. If it's your first time to the channel, be sure to subscribe and catch up and keep up with the fam bam. No, you cannot wear tie-tie glasses. You will break it, okay?
Tie-tie glasses.
Yes, it's tie-tie glasses. These glasses are not for you, but you can wear this one. Hey, look. Show Kevin your glasses. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna grab on this breakfast. Have a good day. Stay safe in these streets. Be kind to one another. Be kind to somebody. Kindness goes a long way. Love you guys. And I'll catch you guys throughout the rest of today. So see you guys later. See you guys later. Later. Alright, Mama needs to buy cereal today. Cereal almost finished. You guys, I went to the dentist. I couldn't take you guys inside with me because it's just me alone managing with Sarah and I didn't know what my appointment would be like. I changed my dentist because the dentist that I had before, my energy just couldn't take him. He was so rough, he wasn't kind, and I mean his energy just wasn't right. So I changed him, found a new dentist, and I'm happy that I did. This lady that I found, she's amazing, she's calm, she's so gentle, she speaks to me along the way. I don't like the dentist. You guys see how I'm talking because she put anesthesia in my mouth to clean it because my teeth, they are so sensitive. So she had to do all that to clean. However, because my teeth so sensitive, she had to give me another appointment to come back to finish cleaning and do something else with one of my filling that she said a part of it fall out, that she's gonna take out that filling and put in a new filling. And she recommends some things. There's a few little things to do all around my mouth. So I'm happy, I'm super happy that I changed from the man that I used to go to her. She's just the best. I'm super happy that I went to her. I'm heading back home right now with the princess. She's here. Say hello. So babe and I actually make an appointment for babe too, so babe can come and clean. I'm happy that I change. I'm happy that I changed from that doctor to this one, and yeah, super happy about that. So I'm heading home right now. I'll see you guys later at the supermarket with my little helpers. Say hello to Faves. Yes, Papa. Papa. We're not picking up no Papa.
Wow! It's Papa!
Papa is at work. Oh, take up our paper.
There's something I would like to say, Sarah, here. I don't know if you already have it.
Which is what?
I think that you had last time that I said that one, but it was more expensive. And I like it.
Position.
Boo,
boo, boo. It's time
2, 3, 4, 5.
for the mosquito killing. Supermarket
Toy.
haul.
For supermarket. Mosquito killing. And the pro of the rock, paper, scissors, and trays. Cantaloupe. I don't know why it's in no
Hi
bag.
guys.
What do you mean why didn't no bag?
Cantaloupe.
You don't need to go in any bag.
Yummy!
Good job. Don't do that.
Sorry.
Say sorry with a smile. You know the kid's not sorry.
Yay!
Yogurt. What's this, Sarah?
Some half discovering what it
You
is.
have this. Oh, can you
Yeah.
kind of help?
I kind of had
He
to
showed
pack.
up when I'm at the cashier.
Yeah, so I kind of had to pack, but I don't because I packed one bag and all of us, I don't really know much. But
You guys.
Yeah.
I'm back to frozen salmon. You know why? One piece of this salmon at the supermarket is for €11. I'm like, hell no.
I'm glad she look at the price. Let me tell you, she don't used to look at the price. She just take the thing, put it in the cart, and
Sarah,
and when you're at the cashier,
don't do that.
you just discover the price. You say, oh.
Don't do cantaloupe. That's true.
So I'm glad that she learned and she look at the price.
I'm not buying one piece of salmon and it's 3 person in this house. 4 person. I buy 4 pieces of salmon for how much euro? It must be crazy. Very good.
You just eat different.
This frozen salmon is for €7. I'll take it.
Inflation.
Papa, good job. Hey,
Oh.
Sarah, Tyler, you can start a snack bar. Yes.
She took a,
Yes.
she took a good. She have a good habit now. Get the cake. Well, I don't say
Listen.
she don't used to take
No,
it.
Sarah, no.
She just take it
After, okay?
whenever it's there. It's
Yes,
just that it was there. You know, I get one at lunch. They had one. Only one.
Well, guess what? You're not getting none of this one.
Birthday.
Here you come telling me me eat cheesecake at work without me. How dare you?
Birthday, Mama.
What you have at lunch without me?
How dare you? Before you put piece in a file paper, wrap up and put in your back pocket, carry home for me.
You want no pieces. Banana.
You just say you ate peas. So that piece is supposed to say a piece of that piece for me. Why not? Wrap it up in a piece of paper and towel and say the piece. You see it still?
We are. Oh!
Mama, look. What is this?
Yes, cake, don't shout.
Mama,
It's a
look
cow.
at Papa and why I did and why I tell you to put this and put it at the bottom. Cake.
That's okay.
Mash. Mash. Some mash.
Chips, yes, don't shout.
Sarah getting louder. She starts to be like Tyler.
Buy your biscuit. Buy your biscuit. Buy your biscuit.
What's this, Sarah?
Hey.
Good job. Let me put this far in the cabinet. Don't shake.
Let me tell you something now. When I woke up this morning, I was playing with Sarah, and Sarah was having a breakfast. She was looking at me and she said, Papa eat eggs. I was going to say like, no, I don't eat eggs. She said, Papa eat eggs. And Auntie eats
Mama,
eggs.
eat egg. Papa, eat egg.
Papa, eat egg. What is this?
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
Water for
That's the
Mama.
ordinary strawberry.
Water for Mama.
Yes. You soon get the strawberry,
We have
okay?
cereal bar, and we have
I pick up
Sarah's
your
favorite. C'est quoi ça?
Biscuit.
Pretzel.
Pretzel.
The one in the jar. I don't see it, so I had to take the one in the pack.
Pretzel.
Let's go. Let's go. What's this? Yogurt mascara. Pretzel, cashew,
Pringles.
Pringles,
And that's
pretzel,
cashew.
pasta.
Je suis le roi
C'est
de
quoi ça,
King.
Sarah?
Tangerine.
Bravo.
Je suis le roi de King. Pasta.
What's this?
She knows everything now.
Yes, she know all of it now. What is this? What is your soon get cheese? She wants everything. What is this? What's this?
Bread.
No,
Mama.
ham.
Mama. Look, I'm one of the guards of the palace of the Queen in England.
Okay, Tyler. Mushroom and mozzarella cheese.
We have
Wait, Sarah. Tyler, stop.
Where's the yellow gun?
Sister, stop. They don't have no yellow.
And then the
so I want yellow.
See, chips.
Sarah, c'est quoi ça?
Tyler decided to try a new type of yogurt. We have never buy this one before.
Noisette.
Yeah.
Okay.
She discover.
She get noisette.
Noisette. I love noisette everything.
Ice cream. Oh no.
I love noisette.
Ça brûle la
Let's
jaune.
Cheese. Sarah, no, you want chips?
We have
Yes, you
great
get it, okay?
chocolate. We're trying to give chocolate to Sarah. To transition
Oh,
chocolate
chocolate
milk.
milk. She always drink it. It's just that I'm trying to break out her warm milk in the
Honey.
tea.
Honey is important.
Honey is important.
And we
Say
have
that
carrot.
again.
Honey is important.
Say that again. Taylor, what are you doing?
I'm killing people.
The shucks, cheese,
Oh my God.
lentil,
I don't kill you.
Did you just say plantain?
lentil.
Plantain. Taylor, finish please.
Yeah, nobody.
It's cheap.
Well,
Give it to
that-
Papa.
Fizz, you see my
Why are you
hand?
blocking
That
the
was
camera?
saucisson.
This is sausage.
Why you finish all of the bag here while your bag is still full?
Juice. Exactly.
You have a problem?
Bio biscuit.
Take this bag.
Sarah, what is this?
Crab.
Watermelon. Mama love watermelon. I'll eat a watermelon all day.
We have avocado, tomatoes.
Tomato.
Happy biscuit.
Happy
Oh.
biscuit.
Last week we had this chicken, it was very good, but it was
It
fried.
was very good.
But I don't think we have no more
No, I'm not frying
oil.
it
So it's barbecue or
or oven. But the
Or oven.
seasoning on it, paprika and something else they have on it that tastes
very
really
good.
good.
We have regular
Birthday
chicken.
biscuit. Cereal.
Birthday biscuit, she call it happy biscuit.
Same thing.
Near.
Near from Mama Near.
What is that?
Near is used to remove hair that you don't want it in areas that you're not supposed to.
We have broccoli, we have almond leaf.
Basket.
Wow.
Yes.
It's shaped like a little box.
And I take this as the place of glue.
Look,
Cool.
donuts, but I wanted dude soup because I felt for donut, but Tyler said, Mama Janet, I don't want a chocolate, please. So it's Tyler, so of course
Papa
I
can take it with me.
Sure.
Please.
What do you want?
Cheese.
Alright, now it's time for the signature. Rock, paper, scissors. Let's see. What will we be playing for today?
I don't know for what we're going to
You
eat.
guys know that I have to be moving stuff around in
What
our
we're going
cars.
to eat for
You
what
want cheese?
If I win, I just sit down for the rest of the evening. I don't pack nothing. I don't do nothing.
No, I'm going to say the one that
You don't want to put
Hurry, Tyler.
your destiny in
the
the
one
hand of Tyler.
that lose will have no dinner.
Exactly.
Yes.
And we're going to have patty for dinner, so let's see how that is going to go.
Rock, paper.
Wait. No. Let's go. Remember last week you do this how you win, so I would advise you to take your hand from behind you and do like this.
Okay.
Let's go, Sarah. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One Tyler. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One Papa. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Two Tyler. Wait, it's not time. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Finish.
I need to be
Eat your cheese. Here. Alright, so Tyler is back in winning ways. We'll take it. Anyway, you guys, Tyler win. We love it. I'm gonna put some patties in the oven and have dinner. So hopefully you guys enjoy the lesson. So bring it home. Guess what? It's the last of the patty. There's no more after today. Guess what? Enjoy the last of the patty. Because we won't be eating any more patty for a long time. Sarah, enjoy the last of the patty, okay? Okay, Mama. I am going to savor every bite, every crumbs, every smell. Is the last of the party. Well, it was a good ride. It was good while it lasts. I got patties from 3 different people within the same time. Hence why I've been eating patty for the last month. God bless those people. I bought from a girl in Paris. Moy carry from Jamaica, Shanna carry from Jamaica, and Daniel carry from Jamaica. So I got patty from like 5 different people within the same time.